Okay, so here's the solution for this. We have a sandbox, A, B, C, D, F, G, with the above given dimensions, and this is cuboid in shape, so it's three-dimensional shape. First thing, we want to find the distance AC. Then we want to find the angle CAD. Then it asks if it takes 900 cubic centimeters to fill the sandbox, how tall is it? And a child scoops sand into the box using a spade that holds 75 cubic centimeters. If she only fills 2/3 of the box, how many scoops does she need? So I started ahead. So the distance AC. So you can take a top view of this. So this is actually going to be a rectangle. And if we name the sides as given here, so you'll have A, B, C, D. This is a top view. And the length AD is 20 and CD is 15. So you can go ahead and put those in. This is 20. This is 15. And the question is asking for the length AC. So you can recognize straight away this is a right angle triangle. So you can use Pythagoras to figure this out. Okay, so we have 20 centimeters here. We have 15 here. Now you want to find this distance. So using Pythagoras, you'll get 15 squared plus 20 squared is going to be equal to AC squared. Let's call that X. 225 plus 400 is equal to X squared. So X squared is equal to 625. X is equal to the square root of 625. So our distance AC is 25 centimeters. Second part of the question, do we want to find the angle CAD? CAD. So we can use tangent functions. So tan of this angle, let's call it alpha. So tan of alpha is going to equal to 15 over 20. So alpha is tan inverse 15 over 20. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of 15 divided by 20, which is equal to 36.9 degrees. Okay. Third part of the question. If it takes 900 cubic centimeters to fill the sandbox, how tall is it? So now we're going to calculate the volume. So the volume of the sandbox is 20 by 15 by X, and that's equal to 900. So volume is equal to length times width times height, which is equal to 900. Is equal to 20 times 15 times H. So H is equal to 900 divided by 20 times 15. H is equal to 900 divided by 300. So the height of the box is 3 centimeters. And then the final part of the question. So a child scoops 75 cubic centimeters using a spade into the box, and she fills the box 2/3 full. How many scoops does she need? So 2/3 of this volume is going to be 2/3 of 900. Which is 600 cubic centimeters. And the scoop is 75 cubic centimeters. So we are going to need 600 divided by 75, which is 8 scoops. And these are our answers.